Hi, thanks for checking out our channel. Here's going to be a repair video, hopefully on a Gallagher MBS800 fence charger that came to us for repair. We don't see very many of these come in. They seem to be pretty reliable units. But here's one in for repair. This is actually under warranty. This is not super old of a unit. It's within the 3-year time frame when it was built and purchased. So we don't get too many warranty repairs in for this brand. At least we don't personally see them, but if we do get a call from a customer with a warranty unit of some sort, typically I just tell them to, go send it back to the manufacturer, distributor, whoever. They can take care of the warranty stuff on there. That way it's all done in-house. I have to get it here, do this, do that, fix it, send it back, wait for parts, wait for the credit. It just saves time for both the customer and myself to get things squared away. And plus we're only 2 people working here. They've got a crew of people working on stuff, so more hands on deck to take care of things. But here's our information. There are links in the description area below. fencerfixer.com, it's a website. Our other website is called cattlescalerepair.com. We work on livestock weigh scales for animals for both Gallagher and Tru-Test, mostly the low bars. We do get an indicator here and there, but mostly in low bars. Work on the Gallagher ear tag, EID ear tag readers as well. Don't see a lot of those come in, but they are repairable as well. All right, so the story on this one that we've tested so far, which I haven't got that deep, and I don't know what's wrong on the inside yet. I got the AC cord here plugged in the side of the case. It shows full bar, like full gauge of power for the battery, on the battery check. I turned on the AC plug. That is, well, it was clicking. Okay, it is clicking, barely, but the lights aren't working, so not sure what the heck that is. But luckily, I've got all the parts in stock here because we went ahead and ordered parts. I figured we can take care of this one, and we'll send the parts back to Gallagher for warranty replacement or credit or something like that. Let's see here. Now the MBS400 and MBS200 are very similar in style. Different guts on the inside, of course, but the way you open them and look at them and stuff are all the same. So there's 2 torque screws down here at the bottom. These are tamper-proof torques, not regular torques. Just pull the back, grab here and pull, lift up. And then there's a cord down here. Hard to see, but there's your solar, or the where your AC cord and 12-volt cord comes in at. Comes right here. This is a little longer, but it isn't. It's only so long. So grab has a little catch there. You're just gonna squeeze and pull right off. Okay, there's the board. Doesn't look like much on the board because all the crap does everything on the front side. All the big old school parts are all in the back, but all the fancy electronics are on the back side. There's a big old transformer. It looks and feels good. Don't feel any cracks in it. There's a big old capacitor. It's probably fine. It's not that terrible of a unit. The capacitor's probably fine. We can check it. But let's see. We'll test the capacitor first just to see. Get a meter, we'll put on capacitance, which is that little yellow symbol there above my thumb, right there, symbol for capacitor. Let's see, this is a 45 microfarad capacitor. We're going to go across the 2 wire. We may have to unplug one of these, but we're just going to go across the wires in the circuit, see what it does. 44.7, so capacitor's fine. There's our primary side of the transformer. Now we're going to ohm across there. You can see that we should be 0.1 to 1 ohm. There's no polarity, just this closed loop. 0.2, 0.3. So primary is fine. So I'm gonna gonna guess, well, wait a minute, look at this. Just realized there's this yellow wire here that was unplugged. It's very loose, that's why. Maybe that's why the gauge wouldn't work, because it maybe get a feedback to the board to power those lights. And since that wire was plugged, it's like a female spade connector. It was, I don't know how it came into play. It was really wide on the spacing. So let's snug it up here. That one's nice and snug. Let's put this, get rid of this back piece again. It may just been that. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, this goes on a certain way. Alright, and we'll take this front case, has a little lip to it. All the way in there. We're going to put this, well, let's put the screws in it yet because we have to take it back apart. Let's grab that AC plug again. Let's check this battery. Now let's do this. Look at that, just a loose wire. I'm not sure how the heck that happened, but came unplugged anyways. Let's go ahead and hook our tester up to it. Getting 10,000 roughly volts out of the thing. Let's see what kind of spark this thing will throw. Nice sharp snap once I get the gap right. Well, and so there's nothing really bad with the unit, just the wire coming from the output side of the transformer back to the board had an issue, was unplugged. So we basically tightened that spade connector up and plugged it back in, and the way it went to working. Now, see, these are kind of strange to have a unit like this coming for repair, and you just don't have problems like other brands do. So I was pretty surprised to see this one coming for repair. But anyways, there you go. So if you got one of these units that are within warranty, of course we'll take a look at it. If it's out of warranty, we'll definitely take a look at it. If you want to buy parts from us, we'll sell you some parts too. Alright, there you go. Until next time, see you guys later on.